Page 166, Worried Man Blues. It's another lead sheet where they give you the melody and the chords and you make up the accompaniment. So the process that I use, and you use your own process, this is what I use, is first I need to learn the melody. Because you need to know the melody pretty well, because you need to focus mostly on the accompaniment because you're making that up. So let's just play the melody here. We're in the key of D major, 2 sharps. It's a pickup beat, 4-1. 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Bring that thumb up, or middle finger up. 1, 2, 3. Remember the F sharp, it's in the key signature. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then now we're here. We'll just change hand positions. Then scrunch up a little bit, 3, 2. We changed hand positions again. Like so. So go through it, I'll make sure I can play the melody okay. And then I'll go through and I'll check to make sure I know the chords. First one is a D chord here. It could be anywhere, but I'll play it here. And you don't get another one until measure 5. It's a G chord. Now I'm going to use the inversion. The G chord is the 4 chord in D major. So it's here. That's a G chord. I just put the D on the bottom. And you don't get anything more until measure 13. Back to now that's an A chord, and A is the 5 chord. So normally you do the 5-7. We leave off the 7th here, then we E. Remember the full 5-7 is 4 notes, but if I leave off the 7th, which is this note, that's it. That's the A chord. It's at this one, and the E was on but C sharp was on the bottom, wasn't it? So I put the A on top. And then D. So I sort of have an idea what the chords are. Okay. You don't have to play it in inversions. I mean, you can do whatever. Then I try to put it together. I want to hear the melody with the chords. I want to hear the harmony here. So it's here. And there's no chord on the pickup beat. The chord doesn't come until first beat of the first measure. 1 and 2. Go ahead and play the chord here with each measure. And then G chord. Actually, measure 8, you go back to a D chord. I missed that before, but you'll get there. Measure 13 with the A chord, you hear 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So I got the chords and the melody. Then I can play around with the chords. I don't want to play block chords all the time. You can play any pattern you care to. They give you a suggestion on 167, but I would encourage you to go ahead and try the other patterns you've had. Your broken chords, you do that. So try that, or try the Alberti bass. The idea, or it doesn't matter what the pattern is, just top bottom. Any pattern you want. Try the pattern they're suggesting, and they're going from here, and then the next one is just the next note up. Use 2-1. Don't use thumb on both of those. No. And they're down here, by the way, wherever you try them both. Try here. Try down here. And the G, remember the G? Here. Here. And they want the G up here. They're using root position. They're moving. Here, measure 13. Whatever. That's what they're suggesting, so you can try that out. There's different Rhythms. You could try those chord. Whatever, just play around with it, have fun with it. Maybe you break them up. Experiment. You want to stick in some eighth notes somewhere? I don't care. It's sort of like you're walking. You get the feeling that you're walking, so you go the 1, 2. It's up to you and your imagination what you want to do there. There's no right or wrong. As long as you like the sound of it, that's close enough. I don't do play with me's on here because all there is a melody, and you can do anything you want with the accompaniment. Well, let me know if you have questions.